How to say, do you have anything cheaper? To ask, do you have anything cheaper? You say, czy masz coś tańszego? Czy masz coś tańszego? Czy masz coś tańszego? So, let's break this down. Czy, the CZ makes a ch sound, so czy. Masz, the SZ makes a sh sound, so CZ is czy, and then with the SZ, it's masz. Czy masz coś. The S with a line through it is a sh sound. So there's a difference between masz and coś. Hopefully you can hear it. And then cheaper is tańszego. Tań, the N with an accent is a n, so tańszego. There's that sh again. Tańszego. Czy masz coś tańszego? Czy masz coś tańszego? Go ahead. Give it a shot. Great. To ask, can you give me a better price? You say, czy mogę uzyskać lepszą cenę? Czy mogę uzyskać lepszą cenę? So, let's break this down. Czy, the CZ is a ch sound. Czy. Mogę, the E with an accent is an sound, so it's mogę. Czy mogę uzyskać, the C with an accent is a ch sound. Scotch. It's almost like scotch. It's what it almost sounds like. Uzyskać. Lepszą. SZ is the sh sound. And then the A with the accent underneath is om. So, czą. Szą. Lepszą cenę. The E with the accent, again, is an elm. Cenę. So there's a lot of accents in this one. Czy mogę uzyskać lepszą cenę? Czy mogę uzyskać lepszą cenę? Now, I want you to give it a shot. Very good. I'm impressed. To say, this is too expensive. You say, to jest zbyt kosztowne. To jest zbyt kosztowne. So, it's to, jest, zbyt, kosztowne. The SZ is sh, so kosztowne. To jest zbyt kosztowne. Go ahead. I want you to say, this is too expensive. Great job. And that's how you ask, do you have anything cheaper?